Hi, this is Darcy from Lumos Learning. Today, I will demonstrate how to use Lumos Guided Practice to help students in grade 3 develop conceptual understanding for specific topics in math. The Lumos Guided Practice is an intelligent, artificial intelligence-powered conversational system that offers students with individualized practice in an empathetic environment. Like a teacher, it carefully learns from the student's proficiency data and significantly simplifies the user's experience. It also offers lessons that are precisely tailored to the student's unique needs and provides interactive voice and visual aids to motivate and engage learners. Let's dive right into Lumos Guided Practice and see it in action. Once you open up the free Guided Practice module on the Lumos Learning website, you'll need to select the grade and the subject for which you'd want to practice more questions. Here are the domains for grade 3 math. For today's demonstration, I will be choosing the domain called Operation and Algebraic Thinking. So we have 2 questions here. The questions are standards aligned, dynamic, and support independent practice. Let's select the first one. Audrey does 6 loads of laundry per week. How many loads of laundry are washed in 7 weeks? Click this play button here to get started.
Audrey does 4 loads of laundry per week. How many loads of laundry are washed in 8 weeks?
The Lumos assistant reads out the question. If you are not sure of the answer and need some extra support, click on the hint button over here.
The total loads of laundry washed can be found by multiplying loads of laundry per week, 7, with the number of weeks, 6.
Nice! With the help of this hint, you can try arriving at an answer. To respond via voice, simply click on the mic button here, or enter your answer in the text box and hit submit. Uh-oh, looks like your answer is wrong and you need some more practice. You can refer to the detailed explanation over here. Let's try practicing some more questions.
Well done. Good job. Would you like to try another problem similar to this?
That's a right answer. You rock. What's more, at the top right, you have the settings icon, which gives you access to the volume control slider to increase or decrease volume for Lumos Assistant's voice. With these other buttons, you can hit pause, replay, mute, and control the playback speed of the audio narration. Isn't this super cool and easy? I hope you loved Lumos Guided Practice. Head over to the Lumos Learning website, select grade and subject of your choice, and try it for free.